Learn with Chef Elite 5 basic pork marinades that you can make in just 30 minutes.
We're done with chicken marinades. Ngayon, gawin naman natin pork marinades. Pork belly. Share ko sa inyo yung secret.
First, Pinoy barbecue. Soy sauce, calamansi juice, brown sugar, ketchup, red onion, garlic, black pepper, and salt. Oyster sauce is optional. Next, Korean style. Gochujang, soy sauce, sesame oil, rice wine vinegar, garlic, ginger, and honey. This is really good. Next, Thai style. Fish sauce, calamansi juice, pepper. You can add cilantro and chilies. Miso garlic. Miso paste, soy sauce, white sugar, ginger, garlic, onion leeks, and rice wine vinegar. Or just use plain vinegar instead. Last, honey garlic. Organic honey, sesame oil, garlic, oyster sauce, and black pepper. For this recipe, I'm using pork belly. But you can use pork loin or any tenderloin if you want. Marinating pork enhances flavor, texture, locks in moisture. In short, kung busy ka sa buhay mo, dapat gawin mo to save time.
Again, kung wala kayong sealed bag, any sealed container pwede. Basta lagyan nyo na labels.
This is highly recommended kasi once you marinate it, lagay mo lang sa ref.
If I were you, send mo to sa friend mo. Ready na ulit for 1 week.